Guys, if you're a prospective student and planning to study here at the University of Twente, here's 10 things you should know. Or maybe you're already studying here and might learn something new.
First, there are your UT login credentials that you can use to log into most UT platforms, such as Canvas, Osiris, your timetable, and to take exams. Your login credentials consist of an email address, a password, and in some cases, your student number. You'll be provided with each of those by the university.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Speaking of Osiris and Canvas, on Osiris you can register for your modules, find your course information, and download your declaration of enrollment. On Canvas you can get your study materials, links to meetings, and many more.
When you first come to the UT, you should consider joining the Kickin, the introduction period where you can meet other students. For more information, click the link in the description.
If you're having difficulty studying at home, maybe consider going to the library. Just go to rb.utwente.nl and reserve your spot. There's also project rooms in case you want to study with other people.
If you'd like to study in any of the buildings on campus, you can do that by checking the opening hours in the description below.
If you ever get hungry, we have a co-op on campus, which is a supermarket, a Subway, and a Starbucks.
There's a bike shop on campus where you can get your bike fixed and your tires refilled.
Next to the bike shop, there's also the sports center and the U-Track. If you have a union card, which you can get in the link in the description below, you can join associations for boxing, gymnastics, and even swimming. Next to that, we have an indoors pool and a gym.
We also have the union shop, where you can buy UT merch and print things. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our new video. We wish all the current students and new students the best of luck.